Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'll be showing you guys how I got this purple smoky eye along with these purple lips. I will be featuring the Halo by Angel makeup collection, and I will be showing you guys this color in Raphael. If you guys have not heard of Halo by Angel, the mission is amazing. The mission is all about empowering women from within. They're finding their own beauty, and it's just every product has a meaning, a biblical meaning behind it. So when you guys get a chance, please support Halo by Angel. They're really God fulfilled, and they're really about empowering other women. So definitely check them out. I'll link all of their information down in the description box. But if you're interested in how I got this makeup look, make sure you don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start off with a primer, and I'm actually going to use this Candy Yum Yum lipstick by MAC as my primer. So my eyelid primer, just because it's a bright color, and when you do bright colors, you want to have a primer that's bright as well so that the color can pop. So that's the only reason why I'm using this, but it honestly worked for this eye. So let's go into it. So I'm just applying it all over my lid, and then I'm going to clean it off with my finger. Going in with this BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to go in with this deep purple shade right here, and I'm going to add that to the inner and outer corner of my eye. I'm going to use this Real Techniques, I don't even know, base shadow brush, and I'm just going to add that dark deep color to the inner and outer corner. So I'm going to go in with this black shadow in my Sephora palette just to darken it up a bit right here. I'm going to go in with that and just darken up the purple and combine them. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this pink shade right here, and we're just going to add that to the crease just to blend it in so that there's a nice transition shade as well. So we're just going to keep repeating these steps for a while. Just keep going in with the darker shade until it's dark enough. So I'm going to go in with this Morphe palette, and I'm going to use, there's a lot of shimmer colors in here. So I'm actually going to go in with this silver glitter color, and also this champagne color right here. So both of these colors. And I'm going to add this to my lid. So I'm going to add some water on my brush just to pick up the pigment. And then I'm going to add this to my lid. this is pretty. Oh, that is beautiful. Y'all see that? So pretty. Alright, so. Oh, that's pretty. It just brings it like all together, like this lid color. Okay, guys. So I already applied my lashes off camera. So I'm gonna get into my face and then I'll finish my eyes after I highlight, conceal, and all that good stuff. So let's start off. So starting off with my Pro Concealer. This is like my favorite thing because I have really bad dark circles around here. So this is what I just use to cover up all my dark areas. And it really works. Like, it really cancels them out. Like, if you have bad like dark circles like me, if I'm not sleeping and things like that, like this product is really like my holy grail. Like, my foundation just doesn't look the same without it. Like, so okay, and then I'm gonna just apply this on any other dark marks that I have, like around here, anything like that. And then these marks where I have some more marks where it's like red, like around these pimples. I'm going to color correct with those as well with this blue or green. Is this like this bluish green turquoise looking color corrector? And I'm just going to put this on the actual pimple. So my pimples be red. And any around here I'm red a lot. Okay, right here. This area's in red. Not much. So I look really crazy right now, but it's all good. So I'm gonna go in and just blend this all out with my face. Okay, so going in with my Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, I'm gonna just put this on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna take my foundation brush and put this over the red and blue color. And I personally like to use a foundation brush because I use less product. Opposed to using, like, I feel like the beauty blender, it absorbs so much product. Yeah, it absorbs so much product sometimes, and I feel like with the brush it's less. So I'll go back in, like I'll go back in with the beauty blender, but I like putting it in first with the foundation brush. So we gonna cover this stuff. Going in with my favorite contour palette. Y'all know what shade I'm going to go with these two shades and just contour my face. Next, going in with this blush. I'm going to go in with the rosy color, this rosy color here. Let me just go on. Put that on the apples of the cheeks. Next, I'm going to blend my lashes with the falsies with my favorite Telescopic mascara. And with the blush, so now it's my time for my favorite part, highlighter. So I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to do a mix of Moonlight and Radiant. I'm going to mix the two together. Going in with my Raye brush. And I'm just going to add it. guys for tuning into my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the like button, and also comment if you like videos like this. And also don't forget to check out Halo by Angel's page from down below. Check out their Instagram and their website, and check out their awesome products. So again, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Peace.